Welcome back to US Auto Madness, the channel where we break down cars with honesty, nostalgia, and a little bit of madness. Today's video is about a car that doesn't need fancy introductions, turbochargers, or massive touchscreens to be remembered. This is the Suzuki Mehran, a car that became more than just transportation. For millions of people, it was their first car, their family car, their driving school, and sometimes even their business partner. The Suzuki Mehran is based on the old Suzuki Alto platform from the late 1980s. And yes, by modern standards, it feels ancient. But that's exactly why it's so interesting. This car survived decades with minimal changes and still managed to dominate the roads. When you look at the Mehran, the design is as simple as it gets. Boxy shape, small dimensions, basic headlights, and a tall stance that actually made it practical for city driving. It was never meant to look sporty or luxurious. It was designed to be affordable, reliable, and easy to fix. And in that mission, it succeeded like very few cars ever have. Let's talk about the engine. The Suzuki Mehran comes with an 800cc three-cylinder engine. On paper, the power figures are nothing impressive. But this car was never about speed. It was about getting from point A to point B without complaining. The engine is simple, carbureted in older models and fuel injected in later versions, which means fewer electronics and fewer things to go wrong. Mechanics love this car because it's straightforward. And owners love it because repairs are cheap and parts are available everywhere. You could break down in the middle of nowhere, and chances are someone nearby would know how to fix it. Driving the Mehran is an experience that feels raw and mechanical. There's no power steering in older models, so you actually feel connected to the road, especially at low speeds where turning the wheel requires effort. The clutch is light, the gearbox is basic, and the car feels honest. At highway speeds, it does feel underpowered. An overtaking requires planning, patience, and sometimes prayers. But in city traffic, the Mehran shines. Its small size makes it easy to park, easy to maneuver, and perfect for crowded streets. Inside the cabin, simplicity continues. The dashboard is minimal, with basic gauges and controls. No fancy infotainment system, no digital displays, just the essentials. The seats are basic but functional. And while comfort isn't luxury level, it's enough for daily commuting. The interior space might surprise you. For such a small car, it can comfortably seat 4 adults for short to medium trips. The rear seats are upright, and legroom is limited, but again, this car was never pretending to be something it's not. One of the biggest criticisms of the Suzuki Mehran has always been safety. And honestly, this is where nostalgia can't save it. There are no airbags, no ABS in older versions, and the body structure is light. By modern safety standards, the Mehran is outdated, and that's a fact. However, during its time, buyers accepted this trade-off because of the low price and running costs. People knew what they were getting, and they made that choice willingly. Fuel economy is one area where the Mehran earns respect. With its small engine and lightweight body, it delivers excellent mileage. For daily commuters, students, and small families, this was a huge advantage. Low fuel consumption combined with cheap maintenance made it one of the most economical cars on the road. Insurance costs were low, taxes were manageable, and resale value remained surprisingly strong for years. For new drivers, it was forgiving. For experienced drivers, it was predictable. Is the Suzuki Mehran perfect? Absolutely not. Is it fast? No. Is it safe by today's standards? Not really. But is it legendary? Without a doubt. It played a massive role in motorizing millions of people and making car ownership possible for families who otherwise couldn't afford it. That's something worth respecting. So if you ever see a Suzuki Mehran on the road today, don't laugh at it. Remember that this small car carries decades of stories, struggles, and success. It's not just a car, it's a symbol of simplicity and survival in the automotive world. This was US Auto Madness, bringing you real car stories with real emotions. If you enjoyed this deep dive into an automotive legend, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your own Mehran memories in the comments. Until next time, keep the madness alive and keep driving forward.